our discussion today really was kind of the mix between the data to support that mobile is here to stay, which is not surprising. You know, over the last couple of years, we have seen kind of mobile penetration and adoption climbing, but what we expect to see in the next 3 years is that mobile will take over any sort of connected, tethered device, if you will, which is that's kind of a startling thing to think about in one sense that we don't need to be physically tied to any sort of connection device. Our mobile is really becoming that connected device, and the mobile stays with us wherever we go out in the real world, and it's very powerful. It's a very powerful medium to stay connected and to have deep experiences out in the real world like that. Oftentimes we have clients come to us and say, I want mobile, and we really want to take a step back and kind of understand what the best mobile to build or to implement, to shape is, so we can create the most successful program. And that really is key to our approach, is trying to understand not only the audience, very important, but also what the business wants out of it. What are their specific goals as it relates to this particular mobile program?